We are going to see the next part, that is the cost of a cure, means how much it is cost for a curation. Aman and Ranjan are good friends. While Ranjan comes from a well-to-do family, Aman parents have a struggle to make end means. Means the one person, Aman and Ranjan, they are good friends, and Ranjan, they are from the financially good family, but Aman, he is coming from a poor family. Their parents are struggling to meet the both ends, means the income and expenditure, it is very difficult to meet each other. That is the condition. Hi Aman, good to see you back. How have your have been? Means they are waiting. The Aman and Ranjan, they were friends, and they are meeting each other after some time. Then I have viral fever and had to go to hospital. Means he was sick, that's why Aman was sick, and he is saying like that he got viral fever and he went to hospital. Oh, me too. I just to go back to school on Monday. My daddy took me to see the doctor at the new hospital in the Kingsway. It was very exciting. Means Ranjan, he is from a very rich family, and Ranjan saying like that he also got the viral fever, and his parents taken him to a well-to-do hospital or new hospital, very interesting hospital. Then the building looked as posh. I thought it was a 5-star hotel. Daddy said that was because it was a private hospital with the best of facilities. And Ranjan went to the private hospitals, and he felt like that it is a 5-star hotel like that. That much posh way they made the hospital. And his father given like that is a private hospital and with many facilities like that. Daddy had to pay 500 rupees at the reception counter itself before we even meet the doctor. There was nice music playing, and everything was really clean and shiny. Means in the private hospital, when we are going and we want to give the consultation fees first, then only we will get the appointment of the doctor, then only we can go to near to the doctor's cabin. Then they will call our name, then we can enter in the doctor's cabin. So that area was of that hospital, it was very clean and very shiny. Means they made everything in posh way. Then the doctor asked for many tests, but everyone was so friendly. The lady who took my blood was testing told me so many jokes that I forgot to feel the pain. And when he went to the laboratory, one lady came to take his blood for test, and she was saying very many jokes, and he forgot to understood like that the pain of the pinching of the needle. So that much friendly they was, even though doctor said many tests, maybe because of my sickness. Then, and have you heard the one about the Batman on the reality TV? Like that stories she asked. We can see when we are going to private hospitals, even government hospitals, some of the ladies they are asking because they don't have enough facilities, so they may when we are asking for some extra facilities, they may scold us. Then after the test result came, we went back to the doctor. He looked thorough them and said everything was fine, and I only had viral fever, and he prescribed some medicine and rest. And after the test result came, and they went and met doctor. That time doctor go through the result and said everything is fine, only viral fever, so he is given some of the medicine. And so young man, this pink pill should be taken 3 times a day, and the white tablets once before bedtime, that for the body ache. And this one is the syrup, don't worry, it is tasty. And the medicines what the doctor is giving, that also very clearly doctor is explaining to the patient. Thank you doctor, I feel better already. Means after the checking and the seeing the hospital and facilities, he felt like that somewhat okay. Then you see, I have dying to tell you all about it, but what about you? Which hospital did you go to? Means he is asking, Ranjan is asking to his friend Aman, in which hospital you went. It was it wasn't as nice yours at all. At first Abba did not want to take me because he said it would be taken too much time. Means we want to stand in a queue and it will take time, so it is you already tired, you are getting body pain and other things, so we don't want to go like that, his father said. And it really did. We went to a big government hospital. We had to wait a long queue at OPD counter. I was feeling so sick that I had to lean on Abba all the time. I was very sick and we were standing in the queue and there was no enough space to sit also, so I was just leaning to keeping my head on my father, that much I was sick like that. Amen, he said. Then when our turn came, the doctor examined me and said for a blood test. Then we had to go and stand in another long queue. People was crowding around in the testing room too. Means again afterwards they sent me for a blood test. There also was very busy, and we got the test result after 3 days and went back to hospital. There was a different doctor that day, and after 3 days when we got the result and we went to the hospital again, and I met another doctor. Show me his OPD card and the test result quickly please. And his doctor is asking to the assistant or the nurse or who is there in the doctor's cabin, please bring his OPD card as well as the test result, let me see, like that. That also very fastly he want. And he seems to be suffering from a bout of the viral fever, nothing to worry about. All the needs is this one fever reducing medicine. Means doctor look at the test result and said nothing to worry, only it is viral fever and you want to take some of the medicine, like the doctor said. And my hospital was nice, but they gave me many medicines and the whole thing cost quite a lot. Ranjan said like that, my hospital was good and all the treatment and hospitality everything was good, but they taken the medicine was very costly and they taken much money. Oh, my treatment did not cost much, but Aman said even though I was standing in queue, I suffered a lot like that, but it is not taken much of my treatment. Means from this what we can understand that the curation of the curing how much it is cost, means in which hospital where we are going according to that. If you are going to the 5-star hospital, it will be very high charge for everything. In government hospital, if you here in Tamil Nadu, it is free of cost, totally free of cost. Consultation it is free of cost, then medicines free of cost and testing also free of cost. But if you are going to Maharashtra or to Kerala, like that states, it is consultation fees, it is 1 rupee or 2 rupee according to the area, it is different. In tribal area like that area, it is 1 rupee and other areas it is 2 rupees. And then that we want to pay that one in OPD and we will get the token and we can go to the doctor. And maximum hospital cities everything free, test and other things, medicine also free. Sometimes some of the medicines what the doctors are prescribing that may not be there in the government hospital, then we want to go and purchase from the near private medical centers, and the doctors will explain everything, and the cost is not that much high when we are comparing with the private hospitals. And if in the corona situation also, in the starting of corona, each and every state it was giving free of cost everything, testing and treatment, everything was free of cost. Then the number increased, according to that government can't afford everything, then they said like that you can go and take medicine or treatment in private hospitals, but it said like that more than 2 lakh rupees. They have given permission to the private hospitals to collect 2 lakh and above according to the need. If it is ventilator and other things, it may be 4 lakh or 5 lakh like that. But basic here in Tamil Nadu, 2 to 3 lakhs. It is in the Karur like area, it may be 2 lakh. And Chennai like that, Salem like that, big cities it may be 3 lakh or 4 lakh. That is the condition. So we can see that when the cost of the curation, where we are going and what it is, which type of medicine we are taking, which type of sectors we are approaching, it is private sector or government sector. Then the which are in that private sector, and private sector itself, it is ordinary hospital, dispensary and hospital, or it is 5-star hospital. According to that, the cost will be different. And here it is given some of the question. Where do you go when you are ill? Where usually we are going? And as a CBSE student, our parents are rich enough, so normally we will go to the private hospitals. Are there any problem that you face? Write a paragraph based on your experience. If you went to the private hospital or government hospital, what is your experience? What all problems you faced, and how they treated you, and like that. Then what problems did Aman face in the government hospital? How do you think the hospital can work in a better manner? The Aman when he went to the hospital, there was a long queue even though he was very sick. So we can think like that, the patients, those who are sick, much very severe sickness, they want to get the priority. If we are making like that priority, those who came, those who can wait, let them wait, and those who can't wait like Aman, they want to get a treatment very fast. Like that, that is the one way. Another way, if the second thing, the test result came after 3 days, and Ranjan's test result came in same day. So the government hospitals also, we can make that the better enough lab facilities, equipments, lab, the technician like that, then we will get the result in particular day. The next problem what he faced the problem of change of doctors. First time when he went, that time another doctor. Second time when he visited after his result, that time another doctor. So the change of the doctor also making little bit irritated or aggressive, angry among people. So the continuity of doctor we want to get. In government hospitals also we can arrange that one, or we can give timing according to that. If I know, if I want to work for 3 days, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, then I can give to my patients my days like that. You can come on next Friday or next Wednesday, like that they can arrange that timing. Then people won't feel that much bad. Then why did Ranjan have to spend much money? Give reason. Why he said like that, the people of the hospital, they taken much amount, and even the consultation it was 500 rupees like that, and why it is and how we can solve it. And what problem do we face in the private hospitals? Like a Ranjan, the economical problem or any other problems are we facing in the private hospital? Sometimes we used to hear like that in the newspaper, some news like that, the private hospitals, they are making the unnecessary test. They are asking us to do the unnecessary test to get money for them, and they are asking for, even though patient no need to get admission in the hospital, then also they are getting admitted in the hospital for 2-3 days. So like that they are making much money, like that we used to hear like that. Which problems you know that you can want to say. So what we discuss, what is the curation, how much amount or what is the cost of the curation, in which sector we are going, which type of hospital we are going, according to that the cost of the curation will be different. So we will continue in next video.